Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 Mechanical Engineering paper question number 17. A plain solid slab of thickness L shown in the figure has thermal conductivity K that varies with spatial coordinate x as K is equal to A plus Bx, where A and B are positive constants. A is greater than 0, B is greater than 0. The slab walls are maintained at fixed temperatures of T x equal 0 equal 0 and T x equal to L is equal to T naught greater than 0. The slab has no internal sources. Considering one-dimensional heat transfer, which one of the following plots qualitatively depicts the steady state temperature distribution within the slab? So T naught 0, T at x naught is naught and T at x equal to L is T. X is 0, x is L. X increasing. Option A, this graph between T and X linear, and second graph is like this, okay, and third graph is like this, and fourth graph is like this. So if we take first condition that as thermal conductivity constant, then the heat transfer is given by Q is equal to Ka dT by dx, where A is area and dT by dx is slope of temperature with respect to x. So it will be Q by K. If K is constant, so there is K naught, then dT by dx is Q by Ka. So now we assume that K is varying and K is given as A plus Bx. Okay. So we can take A as common, so it will be 1 plus B by A. Suppose A is K naught and B by A is beta. Okay, so that is given. Conductivity is varying, that is given. So that's why we have taken this. So now A is K naught and B by A is beta. So now K can be written as K naught 1 plus beta x within bracket. So now we can put, now the heat transfer equation is Q is equal to K, sorry, A, because K is function of x, so we will take it within the bracket. D Kt by dx. So it will be, its definition will be A, this consists of two parts, K naught 1 plus beta x, that is function of x, T, which is also function of x, so using product rule. First, keeping this same, A K naught 1 plus beta x, and then dt by dx. Okay. Then differentiating T with x, and now keeping this T same, A B A T, and then differentiating K naught beta. So now the Q is A K naught dt by dx, one term, and A K naught beta x dt by dx, A K naught beta t, or dt by dx comes out of this term. So if we analyze this term, the numerator part is Q minus A K naught beta x when the K is varying, and here it is only Q. So it means the numerator part for beta positive will be less than the conductivity for the conductivity for the variable conductivity, and the numerator part will be more than this A K naught. Okay, because beta is positive, so then this will be this term only. So it means this quantity will be less than this. So slope will go on decreasing as the x increases. Because x is here, the slope will go on decreasing. Okay. So when beta is positive, the slope will go on decreasing as the beta is increased with x. Okay. So here the slope is, if we see the given diagram, initially slope was more and then slope goes on decreasing. So answer is option C.